In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an expense in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started right inside your QuickBooks dashboard. First, head to the plus sign labeled New at the top of the screen. This is your quick access menu for creating transactions. From the options that appear, choose Expense. This opens a fresh expense form where you'll capture the details of what you paid and why. At the top of the form, you'll see Payment Account. This is the account the money actually came from, so choose the bank account that funded the expense. This selection is important because it determines which accounts register the transaction will post to. Next, look for Payment Method and choose Cash. In many setups, the payment method is simply a label used for reporting and filtering. Think of it as describing how you paid, while the payment account determines where the money is recorded from. Using Cash as the method can help you later when you want to analyze spending by payment types, even if the money came from a bank account. Now, fill out the details. Start with the payee so the expense is tied to the correct vendor. Set the transaction date to match when the payment was made. In the Category Details section, choose the expense account that best describes the purchase, like office supplies, travel, or utilities. Add a clear description so anyone reviewing the books understands the purpose. Enter the amount, and if applicable, select the correct tax or VAT code based on your local setup. If you use items instead of categories, you can switch to the Item Details section to list products or services. Use the memo field for extra context. This is especially helpful at month-end or during audits. If you work with classes or locations, apply them here to keep your reporting organized. And if you have a receipt, attaching it now keeps your documentation in one place. Before wrapping up, take a moment to double-check the bank you selected in Payment Account, confirm the date, and review the amounts and categories. Small corrections now prevent reconciliation headaches later. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. QuickBooks records the expense to the bank account you chose, applies the cash payment method label for reporting, and takes you back to where you started. That's all there is to it. Simple, accurate, and ready for your financial reports.